The battery pack is directly connected to the alternator. Therefore, it is very important that you disconnect the vehicle's battery cables at the batteries before beginning any service to the charging system. Remove the 24mm pulley shaft nut and spacer. Do not stick anything inside the alternator. The spacer will not be needed and can be discarded. Do not remove the fan. Slide the pulley onto the shaft and hand tighten the 24mm nut. Hand tightening prevents stripping the threads on the pulley shaft. Use a 24mm pass-through socket with an 8mm hex. Tighten the nut to between 98 and 137 Newton meters. Do not stick anything inside the alternator or fan while tightening. Proper tightening will prevent the pulley from slipping during operation. For more information, please visit Diamond-Gard.com or call 888-MEAA-CO for you.